We shared plans to further improve Glasgow Queen Street using vacant land. We'll create an enhanced station quarter and new offices. It will support about 350 new jobs and boost business locally. East Kilbride's £9 million new station welcomed its first passengers. It gives you a new ticket office, barriers and waiting area. It's part of a £144 million investment by the Scottish Government to improve services to and from Glasgow. We secured your high peak rail journeys with landslip repairs at Newmilns after an incident last year. We used thousands of tons of stone to secure the ground beside the Sheffield to Manchester line. The improvements are designed to last for 120 years. We finished boosting flood protection at Goole Station in Yorkshire. Teams installed 2 pumping stations and a water holding tank. Our £2 million upgrade will help keep the pedestrian subways safe during heavy rain. We renewed the railway between Swindon and Kemble in Gloucestershire. Teams installed over 2,700 metres of new rail to make your journeys more reliable. Thank you for bearing with us while we finish this important work.